Ever pondered over the art of mastering Forex and cryptocurrency? Welcome to the thrilling world of finance, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. On one side, we have Forex, the foreign exchange market, where currencies are traded around the clock. It's a world of high stakes, high risk, and potentially high reward. On the other side, we have the enigmatic world of cryptocurrency, a digital currency that is decentralized, encrypted, and revolutionizing the way we perceive value. These markets are known for their volatility, with prices that can skyrocket or plummet in a matter of seconds, but it's this very volatility that holds the potential for significant profit-making. Yes, they can be unpredictable, but with the right knowledge and strategies, they can also be incredibly lucrative. So, are you ready to dive into these exciting financial waters? Understanding these markets is the first step towards mastering them. Diving into the world of Forex, here's what you need to know. Forex, short for foreign exchange, revolves around trading different global currencies. The fundamental unit of trade is the currency pair, a comparison of one currency's value against another. For instance, if you're trading the pair USD/EUR, you're essentially speculating on the dollar's strength against the euro. Next, it's vital to understand market trends. These are patterns in the movement of currency values over time. Upward trends indicate a currency is getting stronger, while downward trends suggest it's getting weaker. But it's not just about following trends. It's also about managing risk. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure your gains when the price hits your target. Lastly, remember to constantly learn and stay updated with global economic news. Economic events can create ripples in the Forex market, influencing currency values. Remember, in Forex trading, knowledge is your most powerful tool. Cryptocurrency, a digital goldmine waiting to be explored. The world of cryptocurrency is a vast, complex landscape filled with a multitude of digital currencies, each with its own unique characteristics and value proposition. At the heart of this digital revolution is blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records each transaction, ensuring transparency and security. Trading cryptocurrency isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's a game of understanding market trends and price fluctuations. It's about knowing when to hold, when to sell, and when to buy. It's about being patient, disciplined, and not letting emotions cloud your judgment. Securing your digital assets is paramount. Using secure wallets to store your cryptocurrency can protect you from potential threats and losses. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrency trading, knowledge is power and patience is a virtue. With careful planning and a keen eye on trends, the crypto market can be your playground. So, how do you master Forex and cryptocurrency trading? The keys lie in understanding the markets, continuously learning, staying updated, managing risks, and exercising patience. Start small. Learn from your mistakes, and continually refine your trading strategies. Remember, the road to mastery is often a winding one, filled with twists and turns, but don't let that deter you. Mastering Forex and cryptocurrency isn't an overnight process, but with persistence and smart strategies, it's a journey worth embarking on.